Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I took the Clothings 2 weeks app challenge and I wanted to share my journey with you guys, and we will also look at the results that I got at the end of the video, but also some of the tips that you should know in case you are planning to do such kind of workouts at home, or specifically this video. I will be linking the video that I followed from Clothing down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out in case you are planning to do this. Before we get started, please ensure that you subscribe my channel and hit on the notification button so that you never miss any video from my end. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first thing, when you are planning for any kind of these workouts at home, you need to have some basic necessities. Number one is a yoga mat, that is to ensure that you don't get hurt. And second is any comfortable clothes. You could go with anything that you're comfortable with, but I think the most important thing is it should be cotton, so that it's breathable and it absorbs a lot of sweat because you will be sweating a lot. Next thing that you need to remember is, guys, when you do any kind of these exercises, you will experience muscle pain, especially on the second or third day when you start with the workout, since your body is not that much flexible. So whenever you do such kind of exercises, you might get such kind of muscle pains or muscle cramps. So please ensure that you are mentally ready for it, and you don't skip your routine. Specifically, sometimes it happens that on the second day when you wake up after you sleep, your body is in immense pain, but you feel something is wrong, but it's not wrong. It's just that your muscles are stretched a bit, that's why you are experiencing that pain. And it is very important to continue with your regime so that within a day or two, like in the entire 2 to 3 days of when you are working out, the pain will automatically subside and it will go away. So to ensure that you are able to get that pain from your way very soon, you have to ensure that you continue with your exercise. The next thing that is very important, guys, is that when you start with any of such workout, it might be possible that you are not able to follow 100% of it, which means that you are not able to follow either the posture or the timing. For posture, it is very important that you probably, if it is possible, take a feedback from somebody at your home if your posture is right, you're doing it right. Or you could do some kind of camera recording maybe on a first or second day and see if you are actually following the exercises to the T, because obviously you don't want to hurt yourself and you don't want to get in some kind of pain which is not intended. The second important thing is timing. It may be possible that you're not able to repeat the number of reps that are provided, or for example, you are able to do that exercise only for 10 seconds while the video that you're watching, it says for you to do it at 30 seconds. So give yourself, your body, time to acclimatize to that requirement. Once you do that regime daily basis, you will see that your timing will improve. So give yourself time. It's okay if you're not able to 100% follow, but the important thing is you have to do it daily. The next thing that you need to remember is, while you are doing all such kind of workouts, it is very important that you maintain a healthy diet. There is no point doing these kind of exercises if you are eating a lot of junk food, a lot of sweets. So you have to ensure that you are following a healthy diet and less of sweets, so that it can really give you the results that you are looking for. So diet is very, very important. So now let's get on to the results that I got. So I had an underbust of 36 inches and a waist of 37.2 inches. And after 2 weeks of my challenge, here is what I got. So I got an underbust of 33.5 inches, which is a loss of 2.5 inches. And the next thing is, on the waist, I got a 36.2, which was a loss of 1 inch. Still a yay. So overall, I may not have lost a lot on the waist. If you search such kind of videos on YouTube, you are going to see insane results. One most important thing is also that you might see different results. Everyone can see different results. Somebody can do more, somebody can do less. It's okay. Everybody's body is different. The results might vary, but the point is you will get some kind of results definitely. So overall, I lost 3.5 inches in just 2 weeks, which is amazing, unbelievable. So I definitely recommend you guys to take this challenge. If you are looking to squeeze that ab area for you, this is a workout that you should definitely check out. Okay guys, so this was the video. I hope you liked it. I hope you have some inspiration to get started and follow this regime. If I can do it, you can do it too. So no more complaints, no more procrastinating, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.